Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I am going to show you how to change Gmail password. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first, go ahead and open up your Gmail account. Now you can tap on your profile picture on the upper right corner and tap on Manage your Google account. Now here, you can scroll this to the left and tap on Security. So from here, you can tap on Password. Now from here, you can tap on Continue. So from this window, you can type your new password and you need to confirm it down here. So after you type your new password, you can tap on change password and just follow the prompt and you should be okay. Now that is for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.